Welcome to the SealXpert video presentation. Today, we are going to show you how to use the Stic Quick Cure Epoxy Stick. Stic is available in 4 different materials: the SS102 Steel Epoxy Stick, the SS103 Aluminium Epoxy Stick, the SS104 Bronze Epoxy Stick, and the SS106 Underwater Epoxy Stick. Before applying the SealStic on any surfaces, you will need to clean and roughen the surface. Whenever possible, you should use a mechanical power tool, for example, wire brush and sander, to perform surface preparation works. After the surface preparation is completed, the surface should be free of loose particles, rust, and debris. Also, ensure that the surface is free of oil, grease, and chemicals. In this video, we are using hand tool, wire brush, and the sand belt for illustration purposes. In the oil and gas and offshore industry, surface preparation follows a more stringent requirement. It is necessary to ensure prepared surfaces comply to international standards, for example, ST2 and surface profile to 60 microns roughness. Depending on the environment where the work is carried out, a spark-free tool may be required. Next, select the suitable type of SealStic to be used. For general purposes or applications on a dry surface, you can select the SS102 Steel Epoxy Stick. If you are applying on a wet or moist surface, you can choose the SS106 Underwater Epoxy Stick. In this video, we are using the SS102 Steel Epoxy Stick. Cut a suitable amount of epoxy stick. The amount of SealStic used should be at least 3 times the defect size. Remove the plastic protective cover and mix the 2 components until the color is uniform. If the SealStic is applied directly on a defective surface and you require a soft texture, you can mix the SealStic for about 3 minutes. If the SealStic is to be used together with a stainless steel pipe clip, you will need a harder texture. In such cases, you should mix the epoxy stick for at least 5 minutes until it feels warm and there is some toughness to continue kneading by hand. In this video, the epoxy stick is mixed for 3 minutes and the texture is soft. When applied onto surfaces, press the SealStic evenly into the cracks and crevices. Ensure good surface adhesion by pressing along the edges of the SealStic. It will take approximately 15 minutes at an ambient temperature of 30 degrees Celsius to attain attack-free curing. After the SealStic is cured for more than 24 hours, it will attain 80 Shaw-D hardness. In order to remove the cured SealStic, you will need a hammer and a chisel. Rest the chisel on the section of cured SealStic that you want to remove. Hammer onto the chisel gently so as to ensure that the surface is not damaged. For more information about our products, please visit us at SealXpert.com.